Oh yeah. Get a little fishtail in action. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ha ha ha. That was sick. What up guys? It's your boy Brap Genius. Back at it again with another lake video. Today we got a little snow on the lake. And we're just gonna send it. Woo! Speed wobbles. We got the speed wobbles going. Wonder where my friends went. I already lost them. It's so hard trying to turn in this. The amount of traction I had to the last time that I was out here is so much less. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's still sick. I just can't control turns as much. Crazy, yo, riding across the powder. Woo! Alright, let's see if I can turn right. Okay, yo, I'm drifting, yo. Woo! Little snow drift. So crazy. Oh my gosh, again with these speed wobbles, yo. Maybe if I lean back more on the seat. Alright, so I guess today I'll talk to you about, you know, what it's like riding on a lake. Because I'm sure not a lot of people get that experience. Some of you guys don't even get snow. It feels like normal riding. You know, I mean, with the snow, it's definitely different. You know, it feels like you're riding on snow. It's all slippery. You don't have as much control. Imagine driving in like a couple inches of rain and just skating around in rain. Like, I guess that's a good way to describe how it feels to ride on snow, because the bike just wants to slide. And it also wants to correct itself and go straight, because it's literally mowing its way through the snow. Yeah, like I said, if you ride on just straight up ice, it feels like normal riding, but when you look around, obviously that's not the case. I'm riding with some buddies too. I don't know where the hell they went. I lost them. Or they lost me, I should say. There they are. See if I can do a turn. There they are. Let's go meet up with my friends. Haha, full send, bro. Oh yeah. Yeah, bro. This bike is nowhere near the power of those snowmobiles. I can't even keep pace. That one closest to us, that's a... I don't know what the name of the snowmobile itself is, but it literally has an R1 motor in it. Like, that thing does not mess around. And then that's Jack over there. He's got his SRX. First time on it, he's like, yeah, I'm taking it easy. I only did 105. Fucking crazy. How you feeling, bro? I thought you guys just switched helmets for a second. I was gonna say. Sure. Alright. You want to feel this and see how the traction compares to yours? Yeah, actually. Cool, man. Make sure she's neutral for you. If she doesn't start right up, which she should, because it's on, when you kick it, this bike, just give it a little throttle while you're kicking it, and if it doesn't go, just pull the choke out. Alright, man. Have fun! Oh, no! Yeah. It's mechanical, man. Is yours hydraulic? Yeah. All right. I've never seen anybody rip my bike before. Haha. Oh yeah, bud, send it. So I guess that's what I look like when I'm out here ripping. It's so cool, man. Oh yeah. Get a little fishtail in action. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was sick. She sounds mean, dude. All right.